actually bought 4 from Ancheer. These are awesome because they only take about 4 hours to charge, and you could go 15 miles with pedal assist or full automatic mode. I've got the Mac ride seat on here for JT. He rides with me. We can stay excited and not tired all day on these bikes.
Hey, Chip, that is a breathtaking shot behind you. I got to ask you, where are you going next?
We are actually going to be going to the Badlands, Mount Rushmore, South Dakota, and the rest of Montana. We are trying to keep ourselves comfortable, keep ourselves excited. We're going to check in with you guys in one more week. The final thing, I got a deal for you guys. We also got to think of our pets real quick. I got my little tiny guy in here, but actually this is a pet bed from Serta. One thing that we've done here is we've got one with some orthopedic foam in here. We we love our pets, maybe almost as much as we love our kids, but we got to make sure that their joints and everything are staying comfortable. This is great for on the road. And right now, I actually found this deal with a queen or a king size bed. You get $200 off and a free pet bed if you buy right now, which is absolutely awesome. But yeah, you guys get outside. The weather is amazing all over the country right now, and it is just so fun to be out. You guys can follow this trip at wadeworkscreative.com. On the top of there, I have a bar that links to everything we talked about, where we've gone, where we're going, our full itinerary, and more tips to make sure you and your family are having a blast.
Chip, you're the man, putting us all to shame. Thanks for joining us. We'll check in with you soon.